What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. So if you're subscribed and following along, in my last video I put down some Stress X, and I told you at the end that I was going to be watering it in, showing this new I don't know, this new thing I came up with to save time and to still get all the benefits from the biostimulants of the N-Ext products. So if you're not subscribed by now, I highly suggest that you subscribe. Go ahead, it's right down there. Just click subscribe. Say, are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure I want to subscribe, because you can just feel it right in here, maybe here. You want to do that. So in a previous video I hooked up my EZ-Flo system. I can post that up here, but I want to show you one of the things that I wanted to do with that system, and that's attaching it to my sprinklers. I can also show you a video up here where I've done that. I've got 2 Rainbird sprinklers that I put in 3 different spots in my front yard. After 20 minutes to a half an hour, I rotate them. So this is how I want to add those biostimulants with my EZ-Flo. I can just water it when it needs water, or I can use this to water in granular applications that need that. Let's get started. Alright, so got the EZ-Flo here. I've got the whole biostimulant package here. I can put links down below if you're interested in checking anything like that out. So, got all kinds of good stuff for the soil. That's really what we're doing. We're building the soil profile here. RGS, great stuff. Shake it up. Get that ready. I'm not gonna measure. I'm just gonna pour a little bit out. All right, we'll put some RGS in there. Put some humic. Oh, gotta shake it. Aerate. And microgreen. Now, I haven't done this yet. I've heard that there can be issues when you mix together all 4 of these because of the microgreen. So I don't know, we'll see what happens. It's kind of an experiment. It's what happens on my channel. All right, let's see. Looks okay. Hasn't like thickened up or anything, so I'm just going to top this off with water so we don't have any air flowing through the system, and let's attach it to the sprinkler system. Sprinklers are already set up and adjusted, and with the EZ-Flo tank attached, now already got the front yard mode. I'm going to turn the sprinklers on, getting some product watered in, and putting down the biostimulants. It takes at least 20 minutes to empty that tank. It starts off with a higher concentration, and eventually, you know, it dilutes with water over time. So it doesn't matter if I let it go 20 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes. We're gonna get everything watered in. Be good to go. Let's turn it on, let it fly. All right, now we get some more work done. All right, it's been some time later, and I turned everything off. And look, we got some stuff caught on the filter there, but it's no big deal. We'll just rinse that off, and now we get to fill it up and do it again.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Okay, so at this point you can see that my first experiment didn't work, and everything kind of clumped up and stayed in there. So in the next spot, I'm going to put more water into the jug first and then add the next products. Alright, so now I'm going to put more water in the jug before I add the next biostimulant pack. That way the products are a little watered down more and they won't clump up when I add the microgreen with it. So I got the products in there, and now I'm just topping it off again, and we're getting a lot better flow this time, no clumping. Alright, so it's a learning process. The microgreen added to all those. If you don't have any water in there beforehand, it'll clump it up. So I added some more water. Now I put it back in. Now let it redden for another half hour. Maybe it's time to go in the pool. Alright, so that'll do it for this video. Appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.